Hi, doctors! Welcome to Department of Assisted Reproductive Technology of World Laparoscopy Hospital. Skill and precision are the heart of assisted reproductive technology. Every technique in art, from ovulation induction to embryo transfer, demands accuracy, confidence, and a deep understanding of reproductive physiology is essential in IVF. And these skills can only be developed through structured training and real, hands-on experience under expert supervision. At World Laparoscopy Hospital, we make that possible. For the last 2 decades, we have been one of the world's most trusted and internationally recognized training centers in minimally invasive surgery and reproductive medicine. Our 5-day hands-on fellowship in Assisted Reproductive Technologies is designed especially for gynecologists and embryologists who want to upgrade their skills and enter the field of IVF with competence and confidence. This program is built to strengthen your scientific background and enhance your clinical and technical skills across all major components of ART. We also make special scheduling arrangements for doctors who are already pursuing the fellowship or diploma in laparoscopy at our hospital, so you can integrate both trainings smoothly in one visit. And remember, your course fee is not just a fee. It supports free surgeries and free IVF for poor patients. Every doctor who trains with us touches many more lives beyond the classroom. Through daily lectures, step-by-step demonstrations, and guided hands-on practice in IVF, you will gain the technical precision needed to start or expand your IVF practice. Established in 2001 and affiliated with university, our institute offers a curriculum that covers all key aspects of human-assisted reproduction: embryology, andrology, endocrinology, micromanipulation, cryobiology, infertility evaluation, and state-of-the-art laboratory techniques. Every session is led by experts who are actively practicing and highly experienced in the IVF field. The course is directed by Dr. Arun Ray Chaudhry, MD, Clinical Fellowship in IVF/ART from Singapore, and Advanced ART Training from Austria. With years of experience as a senior consultant in fertility care, he brings unmatched insight to your training. World Laparoscopy Hospital is a global leader in ART education. Our IVF training is personalized, allowing you to develop the exact skills you need for your future IVF practice. What you will learn: fundamentals of IVF and infertility evaluation, follicular monitoring, ovarian reserve testing, and stimulation protocols, approaches for poor responders, PCOS patients, and endometriosis, hands-on semen analysis, semen washing, and sperm freezing, IUI techniques, both AIH and donor, prevention and management of OHSS, hands-on egg pickup protocols and troubleshooting, culture dish preparation, gamete handling, insemination techniques, hands-on embryo loading and transfer, vitrification and thaw embryo transfer, ultrasound and infertility, agonist, antagonist cycles, lab media, equipment handling, and more. By the end of this fellowship, you will have the knowledge and the technical ability required to confidently start your own ART practice. Course fee of IVF training is $1,500 for overseas candidates, 70,000 Indian rupees for Indian candidates. This includes complete lab access, instruments, OT dress, videos, library facilities, and IVF resources. Accommodation is available at our subsidized doctor's hostel in DLF Phase 2, Gurugram, a safe and comfortable 3-star facility exclusively for trainees. Rooms are allotted on a first-come, first-served basis. Special integration benefit: if you join the IVF course together with our laparoscopic fellowship or diploma program, you will receive a 25% discount on the IVF, endoscopy, or robotic surgery course fee. Certification: at the end of the program, you will be awarded the Certificate of Fellowship in Assisted Reproductive Technologies, recognized worldwide. If you're ready to expand your practice, upgrade your skills, and step confidently into the world of reproductive medicine, this fellowship is the perfect opportunity. Join us at World Laparoscopy Hospital and take your first step toward becoming a confident ART specialist. We are looking forward to see you at World Laparoscopy Hospital. Thank you.